In this episode, I'm decorating my tier tray for Valentine's. So if you're interested in seeing how it turns out, you know what to do. Stick around. Hello everyone, this is Stephanie of CreativelyMsMe, decorating on the budget. And in today's episode, I am decorating my tier tray for Valentine's. Now this is a no spend. Everything I'm using on this tray I already had in my collection. So stick around to see how it turns out. This is what I use to clean it and to clean my tray. This is a new scent. I love it. It's a new scent for me, that is, and I love it. Now, I've been going back and forth with myself on how to decorate this tray for Valentine's. Now, sometimes you forget what you have in your stash, and you look up in there and you go, oh, didn't know I had that. Now the envelope and the mailbox, they both came from Hobby Lobby. I've had them, didn't remember I had them. This came from the Dollar Tree. And this one came from the Dollar Tree as well. Now the little flower pot up here, that came from the Dollar Tree. That, I believe, that came from Hobby Lobby. I truly believe it did. I can't remember. Because like I said, there was some things in my box I didn't really remember I had. Like I have these books, here, these wooden books that say, Be My Valentine. And they also come with the heart that says love. And one that has XOXO on it. So, I remember buying these from Hobby Lobby. And this love sign, you guys should be familiar with that. That came from the Dollar Tree. Then, of course, it wouldn't be proper without some beads, right? So I'm going to push it in this corner. And I'm going to add the beads. Now let me know down below what you think of my tier tray for Valentine's Day. You know I love reading your comments. And don't forget to give the girl a thumbs up. It doesn't hurt you, but it helps me. If you want to see more, click the video here or the link down below, and you be blessed.